30-question English grammar quiz. How many can you solve correctly? Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Answer B. I felt completely overwhelmed by the amount of work. Pick the missing word that fits best. Answer C. She seems too worried about the results to concentrate on anything else. Select the option that completes the sentence. Answer B. I need some confirmation before proceeding. Which word makes the sentence correct? Answer D. She is committed to her career. Choose the best answer based on grammar and meaning. Answer A. They congratulated him on the promotion. Only one option is correct. Choose it. Answer B. He managed to solve the problem, despite having no prior experience. What word belongs in the gap? Answer A. I will make the arrangements for the conference. Choose the option that fits the sentence best. Answer D. His talent in painting won him recognition. Choose the right word. Answer C. He was too tired to continue working. Which word fits here? Answer D. Realizing the mistake, she apologized. What goes in the gap? Answer A. I love music in general. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Answer B. If only I had followed the directions correctly. Pick the missing word that fits best. Answer D. I do insist on attending the meeting myself. Select the option that completes the sentence. Answer B. My car, which is parked outside, is easy to recognize. Which word makes the sentence correct? Answer D. They asked why he arrived so late every day. Choose the best answer based on grammar and meaning. Answer A. I hardly ever feel extremely stressed at work. Only one option is correct. Choose it. Answer D. He ran so fast that he won easily. What word belongs in the gap? Answer B. She had her dress tailored for the gala. Choose the option that fits the sentence best. Answer C. The data forms several matrices. Choose the right word. Answer B. City quarters differ greatly. Which word fits here? Answer A. Rarely had he been so upset before that incident. What goes in the gap? Answer B. You should have asked for clarification earlier. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Answer D. He is too young to drive a car. Pick the missing word that fits best. Answer B. Each of the proposals has been carefully considered. Select the option that completes the sentence. Answer C. They would have arrived on time if they had set the alarm. Which word makes the sentence correct? Answer B. If I had acted earlier, I would have prevented the mistake. Choose the best answer based on grammar and meaning. Answer A. It is the report that needs urgent attention. Only one option is correct. Choose it. Answer B. Thanks for your attention to this. What word belongs in the gap? Answer D. She might have taken the wrong bus. Choose the option that fits the sentence best. Answer A. Could you lend me your book for a while? Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.